Hi, I'm Dana Ashley with Schuler Bauer Real Estate Services and the David Bauer team. Welcome to 6092 Moser Knob Road in Floyd's Knobs, Indiana. We are super excited about this. You don't see these kinds of listings pop up on the market very often. This is a very special place. Go all the way up to the top, and on the right you're going to find a beautiful setting, a two-story gorgeous brick home, a walkout basement situated on 1.3 beautiful acres. I'm sitting here in the living room and the views are spectacular. A circular driveway, oversized two-car garage, a finished basement, large bedrooms. These houses don't come on the market very often, so you're going to love to take a look at this one. Let's go look. This is a rare opportunity at 6092 Moser Knob in Floyd's Knobs, Indiana. Award-winning schools, a fabulous location, and who wouldn't want to wake up to this spectacular view every day? Come take a look.